Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have an interesting question for all you database enthusiasts out there. Imagine you have a table that stores information about employees, where ID is the primary key and there's a sex column defined as an enum with values M for male and F for female. How would you go about querying this table to find out how many employees of each gender are in the system? Drop your thoughts and solutions in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more database tips and tricks. Here's what this query does. Update salary. This tells the database that we want to make changes to the salary table. Set sex equals case. E&D, we're setting the value of the sex column based on a condition. Case when sex equals, else E&D. This is the heart of our query. The case statement is used to perform conditional logic. When sex equals M, then F. If the sex column currently has the value M for male, it gets updated to F for female. Else M. For any other value, which would be F for female, it gets updated to M. In simple terms, this query swaps all M values to F, and all F values to M. So, if you want to flip the gender values in your employee records, this query is a quick way to do it. Just be cautious when using it. Ensure it's what you intend to do, as this will change every record in the salary table. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more SQL tips and tutorials. Let me know if you have any questions or need further clarification.